Hello everyone, welcome again in my chemistry session. So we have discussed a lot many things about elements and compounds. As I got your queries every day, so I conclude that you are having a lot of doubts regarding atoms and molecules. So today my topic is atom and molecule only. We are going to discuss atom and molecule. I am going to share one activity with you. I will make the model of atom and molecule and try to make you understand the basic terms of the chemistry, atoms and molecules. So atoms are the smallest particle of an element. आपको ये की पॉइंट हमेशा याद रखना है. दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट regarding atom. It is the smallest particle of an element. And compound, it is the smallest particle of the compound. Sorry, molecule, it is the smallest particle of compound. क्या कह रहे हैं हम? आपको ये एक सेंटेंस हमेशा याद रखना है. मॉलिक्यूल जो है वो कंपाउंड का स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल है और एटम एलिमेंट का स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल है. मतलब एलिमेंट को जब आप डिवाइड करना शुरू करेंगे तो आपको लास्ट में मिलेगा एटम. जब आप कंपाउंड को डिवाइड करना शुरू करेंगे तो आपको लास्ट यूनिट जो कंपाउंड की मिलेगी जिसमें सारी प्रॉपर्टीज उस पर्टिकुलर कंपाउंड की होना चाहिए, वो लास्ट यूनिट होगी मॉलिक्यूल. ओके, सो atom is the smallest particle of an element that has all the properties of the element, whereas molecules are the smallest particles that can be divided without chemical change. As we have discussed in my previous session that molecules can be divided chemically, like molecule of hydrogen chloride. So it is the combination of two atoms, hydrogen and chlorine. So if we divide this, है ना, हमने इसको यहाँ से डिवाइड कर दिया बीच में से, तो आपको क्या मिला? 1 हाइड्रोजन एंड 1 क्लोरीन. ठीक है, पहले ये था हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड. अब आपको दो अलग अलग चीज मिल गई, हाइड्रोजन मिल गया, क्लोरीन मिल गया. तो ये हाइड्रोजन और क्लोरीन, इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज अलग हैं हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड से. दैट्स वाई इट इज नॉट कंसिडर एज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट. स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट आप बोलेंगे HCl मॉलिक्यूल को. तो ये केमिकली आप इसको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन एटम एंड मॉलिक्यूल. सो मॉलिक्यूल आर द कॉम्बिनेशंस ऑफ एटम. यू नो दैट in my last lecture, and might be in your previous class you have studied something about that. Molecules are the combination of the atoms. अब ये atoms similar kind of atom भी हो सकते हैं, dissimilar भी हो सकते हैं, है ना. Similar kind of atoms if combined together, then it form molecule of element. Again I am repeating, this is very important. If similar kind of atom join together, it form the molecule of element, whereas the different kind of atoms join together, it form molecule of compound. See what is the difference. This is H2. So 2 atoms are there, both are of hydrogen. 2 हाइड्रोजन के एटम्स कंबाइन हो गए और उन्होंने बना लिया H2. दिस इज मॉलिक्यूल बट molecule of element. This is H2O. एक तरफ H2 है, एक तरफ H2 है. What is the difference? Both are molecules, but there is difference. This H2 is the molecule of element. एलिमेंट का नाम क्या है? कौन से एलिमेंट का मॉलिक्यूल है ये? एटम, सॉरी, मॉलिक्यूल तो है, लेकिन कौन से एलिमेंट का है? हाइड्रोजन. हियर योर राइट हैंड साइड there is written H2O. H2O, as you can see, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen is there. तो यहाँ पर 2 एटम यदि हाइड्रोजन के और 1 एटम ऑक्सीजन का, इट मीन्स डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एटम्स कंबाइंड टुगेदर. सो इट फॉर्म मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ कंपाउंड. मॉलिक्यूल ये भी है, लेकिन ये मॉलिक्यूल किसका है? कंपाउंड का है. और कंपाउंड का नेम क्या हो जाएगा? वाटर. H2O मतलब वाटर. ठीक है. द सिमिलर वे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रिटर्न कार्बन. इट इज एटम ऑफ कार्बन. एक एटम है. दूसरी तरफ आप देख रहे हैं, एक एटम कार्बन का है, 2 एटम ऑक्सीजन के हैं. एंड दिस डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एटम जॉइन टुगेदर एंड फॉर्म CO2, मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, विच इज अ कंपाउंड. अलग अलग टाइप के एटम्स थे ना, और जब अलग टाइप के एटम जॉइन होते हैं तो हमें मॉलिक्यूल तो मिलता है, लेकिन उस मॉलिक्यूल, वो किसका मॉलिक्यूल होता है? कंपाउंड का. कंपाउंड नेम है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डू द सेम थिंग with the activity. So students, see here, I have made some different color balls from the clay. This is brown one, which I given the name hydrogen. So these balls are regarded as atoms of the element. In my first lecture, I have given you the idea about element and atoms. Here, these yellow balls define chlorine. Means these are the atoms of chlorine. These green balls I have made from the clay, and these green balls are considered as the atoms of carbon. C for carbon. Here, these blue balls I have made from the clay. This is of O2, means oxygen. This indicates the atoms of oxygen. So in this regard, we have this 4 different colors balls here, which consider as the 4 different elements: hydrogen, chlorine, Cl for chlorine, carbon and oxygen. So now I am going to show you how these atoms are combined together and form molecules, because these are the atoms, na? So this form molecule, either similar kind of atoms join together or different kind of join together. So in elements, we have seen that same kind of atoms are there. If I made the molecule of hydrogen, so I have to take 2 balls, these 2 balls of hydrogen, and I have to combine it like this. So this is atom of hydrogen. These 2 are the atoms of hydrogen. I combine this together and it forms the molecule. Now what it become? It become the molecule. Molecule of hydrogen. Similar way, if we want molecule of chlorine, then what to do? We have to take these 2 yellow balls and we have to join it together. This 2 yellow ball joins here. It means this is the molecule of chlorine. These 2 were the atom. These 2 are the atoms. When they join, this form molecule. Because we have studied in the definition of molecule that it is the combination of two either similar kind of atoms or different kind of atom. So first we are discussing about the similar kind of atoms, how they join together and form the molecule. So this is the molecule of chlorine. So now I am joining oxygen. I have taken these two balls. It means there are two atoms of oxygen, and I join this together. So now it form the molecule of oxygen. It form the molecule of oxygen. Now this is the similar atom combination, but how different kind of atoms join together. Suppose I have to make hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. This is hydrogen. Hydrogen chloride means hydrogen chloride formula is HCl. So how I can made molecule of HCl? So I have to take one hydrogen, because here in HCl one hydrogen is there and one chlorine is there. So I have taken one hydrogen, and now next step what to do? Yes, right, I have to take one chlorine. So I have taken one chlorine. When hydrogen and chlorine join together, it is the molecule of HCl, means hydrogen chloride. Now this is called compound, because different atoms are there, na? So this is the molecule of compound. If the atoms are different, so it form the molecule, but which kind of molecule? It is molecule of compound. Compound name is hydrogen chloride. Okay. Now I have made hydrogen chloride. Now if we want to make water molecule, what is the formula of water? H2O. 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 See, H2O means two hydrogen atoms are there and one oxygen atom is there. So what to do? We have to take two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Now this is our hydrogen. We have to take these two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Where is oxygen? Here. This is oxygen. So what to do? Two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of oxygen. This is what? This is molecule of a compound, and the compound name is water, H2O. This is molecule of compound which name is water, H2O. So I am keeping this with H2O. Okay. Now I am going to make CO2. Here how many molecules of carbon? How many atoms of carbon? 1. And atoms of oxygen? 2. So I have to take 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. See, where is carbon? This is carbon atom. So I have to take 1 atom of carbon. Where is oxygen? Here. These all blue atoms are of oxygen. So I have to take 2 of oxygen. And what to make? CO2. This is C. This is 1O. This is 2O. So what is made? CO2. as we have made HCl, so I am keeping my HCl here. This is HCl. So in this way, molecules of element as well as molecule of compounds are made. If the similar atoms combine like this or this, if the similar atoms combine, so this form the molecule of element. If the dissimilar or different atoms combine, as you can see here, so this form the molecule of compound. कंपाउंड के नेम अलग हो सकते हैं, ठीक है. सो दिस इज मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ कंपाउंड, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर एंड हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड.